Hello friends, I am Sri Viral Manik, co-founder of a company called Pure Energy. Along with Sri Vidya Iyer, we have started this company almost 5 to 7 years ago. 5 years is where we have started officially working together, and I am a mystic healer, or you can say mystic. I work with specific energies, and through spirituality, through meditation and through healing, I provide solutions. And Sri Vidya is expert in occult, claircognizance, mystic healer, and Divya Shakti master practitioner. My flagship program is Divya Shakti, that I help people to attend multiple powers in just 3 days. Now we have various products, services, and our website pureenergy.com has been operating, previously known as Pure Energy Academy. Now we have renamed as pureenergyacademy.com. In this we have provided you the opportunity. We have touched almost more than 1 lakh lives, and we have transformed the lives and provided the solutions in the most simple and speedy way. This is an opportunity for all those who have experienced pure energy. So what they need to do is to go onto our website, find out affiliate section, register themselves, and whichever product you have used, you have liked, and which you feel that people needs it, all that you do is to recommend this product. And just by clicking on the link, and there are various options available in whichever social media you want to post, you can post. And once people like it, once people go through it and they register and they being our customer, if they have used your link, you are entitled to a handsome commission. This commission is not, it's not an MLM, this is no scheme, nothing. It's a gratitude that we offer to you for recommending us. And when you recommend us, you also enhance, and we will going to provide you some fabulous bonuses to experience the products which we have, that you can entitled to get it. So I invite all of you, those who are being the part of the Pure Energy family, and those who feel they can contribute a couple of hours in a day to make some money staying at home, because post-pandemic there are a lot of opportunities needs to be opened where people can work with ease without putting on a lot of efforts. They don't need to get to acquire new skills, new learnings. So this is the the platform which we have created for you. Avail this by going on to pureenergy.com, pureenergy.com. There is an affiliate section. Please do register there and spread the goodness. Thank you.